Well, I'm off to a late start. Earlier today, I went ahead and stopped by the wood shop to go check in with my wood shop teacher and some old buddies, and that took a while. And I guess now I'm gonna go explore the metro in the LA area a bit. I'm gonna be riding up and down the metro, so I guess for now I'm gonna be waiting for my Uber. And yeah, I guess that's that. Just an update, Robert invited me to go fly with him, and yeah, sported this MetroLink on the quiet car right now, and I guess that's that. Well, just got here. Had to do a bit of exploring, I guess. Well, just got here to this park. It's Zimmerman Park, and I'm currently waiting for my friend Robert. Just met him on the SoCal FPV group on Instagram, and he's still at work right now, and I apparently got here like an hour early, so I'm gonna just fly my micro a bit here. And yeah, this was really a bit of a spontaneous adventure. Really wasn't really planning this. Originally planned to just fly, but then it kind of called it quits because it started raining, and then it stopped raining, so that's why I'm out here flying again. So yeah, otherwise, I've got to say these goggles are a real lifesaver today, because when I was riding my scooter, when the wind blows in my face, oftentimes particles would get my eyes, and this really saved me from a lot of pain of getting particles out of my eyes. So yeah, I guess some flying, I guess. Okay, for your information, I'm currently kind of in a hurry right now. Robert said that it's at a lot about maybe 2.5 miles away, Granger lot, and I'm gonna go see if I can make it there. He said he'll be there in about 30 minutes, so I'm gonna go rush over there right now on my electric scooter, so don't have much time to talk, so I'm gonna have to go full speed right now, so yeah. I haven't found you.
What's up, man?
Nothing much. Just freezing.
How's it going?
Pretty good.
So cool. Like I can like chill and like fly like really calm. Love this shit. I wonder if this is how it's gonna feel when I get my my signal loop done.
Bye. Okay, so that was a really nice session. Robert gave me a ride back to the train station, which was really helpful. And yeah, I guess that's that. Really kind of getting scared right now because maybe there's not a train back, but I guess we'll see. Okay, well, this is kind of a bit worse than I thought, I guess. I just phoned the operator on the other end, and they said the last train from here back to Union Station was at 7:30, which means I'm kind of stuck here for now. I had to phone my parents to go get them to pick me up. Luckily, it's only like a 40-minute drive, but still kind of a bit of a embarrassing misstep there. So I guess this concludes the vlog.